Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to check all the devices that are logged into your Facebook account. It's pretty simple and you can do it on your phone, so let's get started. So we open the Facebook app. We tap on our profile picture at the top right. We scroll down. We tap on settings and privacy. Now settings. Here we scroll down till we see security. Tap on security and login. And guys, I really want to improve my content, so if you have any tips, put them in the comment section below. Here you can see there where you log in. So we tap on CO. And now you can log out of all sessions by pressing the button at the top, at the bottom, or tap the three dots right next to the device you want to log out and just log out.